Agricultural University will have a transformative impact on society through continual innovation in education, research, creativity and entrepreneurship, incorporating social, ethical, human and spiritual values.
Member of this university, and I have got a consultancy project from one government project of 10 lakh rupees.
Yes, sir.
So as I am taking the initiative, I am doing the work. So as per our consultancy policy, how much amount?
40-60.
40 is to be paid.
Revenue share.
40 is to faculty
For the
member.
university.
Okay.
And 60 is for the faculty. Now they have suggested, recommended for the faculty should be encouraged to take up projects for innovation and research. That time, minimum number of faculties were having innovative and research projects. Now we have received not more, but 1.48 lakhs from NAAC DST.
Again, the question is for number. How many faculty members have been have received this project?
Only 2, sir.
Only 2. And earlier it was. You are saying that in the early first stage of NAAC team, the number was quite low.
Sir, government recognized projects was not there. Non-government was. Now government recognized we have 2 from DST, from NIF, National Innovation Foundation. That is one. Documentation of medicinal plants, Dr. Anupam Tiwari. And
Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.
I would like to let you know that this is the only university of this nature which is fully dedicated in the service of the society, whether in terms of disseminating knowledge through skill, whether in terms of inculcating values, ethics, art and culture among the young minds of this local community, whether in terms of harnessing technology, entrepreneurship and incubation within our young minds and young students. So now, to proceed further, I would like to request our Honorable Chairperson, sir, to please hand over the report to our Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir. Sir, please. Please come together. Thank you, sir. Thank you all. Now I would like to request our Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir, to deliver his words of inspiration with us, to share his words, sir. Please welcome our Honorable Chairperson, sir, Dr. Now I would like to request Dr. Abhishek Patil, sir, DSW, to please welcome Dr. Arun Kumar Mishra, sir, who is the member coordinator of the distinguished. Now I would like to request Dr. Ved Prakash Mishra, sir, to please welcome Dr. A. Shah, sir, member NAAC team.
Here. Well, for 3 days we had a hectic time and we prepared us very well, especially the cultural program yesterday. Almost, in fact, it took me to Tamil Nadu itself. Only the words are different, but the program was same. That's up to the students who performed their activities. Even today, when we visited that village, we call it as a kummi art. Just performed during temple festivals in our place also. The only thing is the song is different. They sing in Tamil and here they sing in Chhattisgarh. Well, the purpose of this music, NAAC music, is not only to create you, but also to show you the way of improvement. How your direction is, how you have to go forward from what you are learning. Okay? First pat on the back, then the big pats. What we noticed is we have a very good administrative support for this institution. Administration is always with me. And we find that the students' community is very energetic. And we can see the building of energy among the students. And the university has provided a good environment for all-around development of the students. There are so many clubs and though they are coming from a rural area, you strive to give them some good communication skills and all those things. And it's very close to me because the sports is what I like the most. Yeah? The first impression for me was that football ground. It is really nice. I felt like going there and kicking ball up and down. And performance of the students in sports activities, national level, international level, is really impressive. And this is the only institution where I saw that SC/ST students is more than 30% Nowhere we can see this much of people. And hats off to you, you are trying to bring up the private community to a greater level. The unique feature of this institution is the skill development. It's not that skill development you provide for the students, you provide for the community member. That is what is tremendous effort that you are taking. And preserving the heritage. We are very much impressed by the way your Chhattisgarhi tradition has been preserved and taken it forward. And the Indian knowledge system, and we were impressed by a few people doing research in Indian knowledge system. You have very good eco-friendly campus, and you are giving a helping hand to the tribals in here. And another thing is, when all the institutions earn a lot of money through transport, you do a free transport to the students and staff. This is a really nice point. But when we come to the other side, because we are here to impress only on this.
To proceed for आपके साथ अपने शब्दों से उनको बोधित करने के लिए बहुत धन्यवाद. Thank you so much, sir. इसके पश्चात